Good morning, Fruit and Sport family. I've got an energy drink for you today. Monster Energy, Ultra Gold. Will this give you energy? Absolutely not. But it probably has excitotoxins in it that will get you addicted. This kind of stuff would be harmful to a dog. I wouldn't let my dog go near this stuff. So it's crazy. There's like 20-something ingredients, and some of the names of this stuff: niacinamide, benzoate, pantotenate, acesulfame potassium, salt, pyridoxine hydrochloride, yellow, red color, number 40. You know, I mean, this is crazy that people buy this for energy. You know, the reason I ended up with this, my wife and I went to Sam's Club the other day and they gave us a little goodie bag and this was in there. This is not a goodie. This is a baddie. Okay? They should have called it a baddie bag. So anyway, I've got a treat for you today. They're called Tom's Raw Energy Cookies. Totally raw, really nice. Okay, here I've got the raw cookies. Whoa, man, I don't want these things sliding off. They're like gold. These are the real gold. The real ultra golds. But I got 38 cookies here, and let me tell, the recipe is going to be in the description box. I had 15 medjool dates, 1.5 cups of organic dried white mulberries, 5 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 1 cup of raisins, and 1.5 tablespoons of raw carob powder. And the way I make this, I'll have it in the description box. I put the mulberries in first because they're dry in the food processor. Just put them in a food processor with the S-blade. Zing those for a while, then put in your coconut. Zing that for a while. Then the raisins, and then you put in your medjool dates last, and your carob powder, then your medjool dates. I could have added some vanilla. I forgot. Vanilla would be nice in there also. So this is where the real energy is. So, and how long did this take me to make? Maybe 20 minutes, you know, half an hour tops. But these will last for a while. I mean, I got 38 raw cookies here, and they pack some real energy. I mean, you eat a couple of these things, man, you're ready to go. So give it a try. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. And please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, guys, to your health success. Yes.